Okay, here we have a sample taken from the middle bottom of your pond. This is a sunny afternoon, and this is about as far away as I could get from the sunny window. I went to the darkest depths. This was taken on Saturday, March 30th. So this is at 40 times magnification. I'll go about 4 minutes. And yes, it's 40 times. I've got 4 on my objective lens and 10 on my eyepiece. So hopefully you can see some large ciliates swimming around here. Those are paramecia. And let me go in and give you a focus of that same area at about 100 times magnification. Oh yes, very nice. You can see what there is to see here. Hopefully you're seeing a lot of nice little euglena. Yep. Ooh. Alright, so I'll give you a couple of minutes here. I will zoom around the room. I may go to different focal depths to give you an idea of what there is to see. And you should see all kinds of interesting stuff. These big black clots are just junk that I tried to pipette up from the bottom to give an opportunity for those sessile guys to come along. So hopefully you're noticing paramecia and amoeba and bacteria and euglena. I feel like this should have some music. This is a big piece of plant tissue. You can tell by those nice regularly sized cells laid out in rows. Probably a tiny little piece of wheat seed. It's interesting to see what likes to cling on to this, isn't it? Look at this, it's like an island. I'm doing this with no cover slip, so going at a higher magnification may yield less than satisfactory results, but I might try in a separate clip to do that. Alright, coming to the end pretty much. We're at the 4-minute mark. I'll give you about another 20 seconds here to see what there is. And again, this is a sample from the bottom of your classroom mini pond, taken on Saturday, the 30th of March. Mm-hmm.